Y'all ready to have some fun?
Yeah, I don't even know if we're going. We might not be going.
Why is that?
The rest of the safety cars are going for a cool down lap behind the NSX, and then they will exit the track.
Fish ready on the hot lap or cool down?
The rest of the cars are cool down.
Yeah, I gotta do it. So you guys get a slow lap around the Road America.
And then you get Nevin and Abby on a fast lap.
Pit lanes are free grid. You're clear. Copy that, and everybody is here.
Yeah, in order, correct?
Correct? In order, yes.
Yeah, so we go to race control. Every car but the NSX is on a cool down. I'm going to stage the safety car at the end of pit road for the World Challenge race. Does everybody else have permission to round the end of pit wall off the track and make sure it's out? Stand by. Let's have everybody but the NSX pull off at 13. They are loading the pit lane with World Challenge. All non-continuing hot lap cars, please exit at turn 13 at the cutout. I just had enough fuel, please. Priscilla, that's good. Safety car only has permission to back up to the front of the field.
And pit lane, your left, Charlie 120.
We exiting?
Yeah, I believe so.
What are we doing?
Yeah, we're exiting. You guys got to go for a cool down lap. So that was fun-ish.
Yeah.
I'll take you back up to,
Okay.
It's okay asking what was the reasoning.
because I think they gotta start this race.
Okay, safety car race control, the 4 hot lap cars are in the main paddock area. Clear of the race.